Is it time to buy or sell Broadcom stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Broadcom. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 28th of March, 2025. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 26th of March, 2025, our system has identified Broadcom as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.55. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has incurred a loss of -5.66%. This results in an average daily loss of -1.89% since it was classified as a sell candidate. The stock currently resides within the lower range of a very broad and declining trend in the short term, which typically presents an attractive buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $160.28 be breached, it would initially suggest a heightened rate of decline. The existing 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 22% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between a decline of 26% and a rise of nearly 5%. In terms of the longer outlook, our 12-month analysis points to a projected change of nearly 50%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from just under 50% to as high as 144% over the upcoming year. In present terms, this would suggest a future price between $253.24 and $412.31. Our latest daily update for Broadcom includes the headline, Broadcom stock price down 1.67% on Friday. The Broadcom stock price fell by 1.67% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 28th of March, 2025, decreasing from $171.99 to $169.12. This marks a decline for 5 consecutive days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 4.10%, with a low of $166.47 and a high of $173.30. Over the past 10 days, the price has dropped in 8 of those days and has decreased by 13.51% during this period. Notably, the trading volume also fell, which is generally a positive indication as volume should align with stock movement. On the last trading day, the volume decreased by 2 million shares, with a total of 29 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $4.97 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $251.88, while the lowest was $119.76. Currently, the price sits 32.86% or $82.76 below the 52-week high and 69.83% or $391.44 below the all-time high recorded on the 18th of August, 2022, when it peaked at $560.56. Broadcom Incorporated, trading under the ticker symbol AVGO, is at a crucial juncture following a significant decline of over 13% in the past month. However, recent developments indicate a possible recovery. Analysts note that the stock is in oversold territory, suggesting that the intense selling pressure may be easing. This sentiment is reinforced by strong consensus on Wall Street for increased earnings estimates, which could indicate a shift in investor confidence and potentially lead to a stock price rebound in the near term. Furthermore, as demand surges in the data center market, Broadcom is well positioned alongside other semiconductor companies that are also benefiting from this trend. The impending launch of its Tomahawk 6 product further solidifies its strategic role in the evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, even as competition intensifies among other chip manufacturers. In the long run, Broadcom's engagement in next-generation technologies, such as its collaboration with Audi for factory automation powered by VMware, underscores its commitment to innovation and adaptability in a rapidly changing market. This involvement could enhance growth potential and attract investors, leading to a stronger fundamental position over time. Overall, the combination of reduced downward pressure, optimism from analysts, and expanding market opportunities positions AVGO favorably for investors considering both short and long-term prospects. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 7th of March, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned AVGO an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On the same day, it was also reported that KeyBank gave AVGO an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 16th of December, 2024, it was announced that CICC rated AVGO as outperform with an upgrade recommendation. On Friday, the 13th of December, 2024, Morgan Stanley again assigned AVGO an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 11th of October, 2024, Bank of America Securities rated AVGO as a buy with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Broadcom stock a general neutral rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell as well. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a buy. The following signals have been identified for Broadcom. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence short-term developments. The Broadcom stock reflects sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of $183.16, as well as $202.31. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 12th of February, 2025. And thus far, the stock has declined by 28.45%. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume has decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 32 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 30 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 26 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 28 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 23 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 10 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's examine the support, risk, and stop loss for Broadcom. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. If conditions are unfavorable, the stock may face significant challenges in the upcoming days. On average, this stock experiences typical daily movements, and with a solid trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $6.83 between its high and low, which represents a 4.1% change. Furthermore, in the last week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 3.98%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Broadcom, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This vital metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant growth in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 11th of June, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $1.56. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Broadcom. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Broadcom is at $194.96. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, indicating that the stock could potentially decline sharply under certain circumstances. Proceed with caution and consider placing trades only if you are an experienced trader familiar with navigating such situations. The combined average rating for Broadcom from various analyst sources is neutral. Now, let us examine some recent insider trades. On the 24th of March, 2025, Brazil Mark David conducted an insider sale of 30,000 shares of common stock, which has a par value of $0.001. On the 17th of March, 2025, Kawas Charlie B executed an insider sale of 98,396 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.001. On the 15th of March, 2025, Spears Kirsten M made an insider purchase of 60,000 shares of common stock, which has a par value of $0.001. On the 17th of March, 2025, Spears Kirsten M also conducted an insider sale of 86,024 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.001. On the 15th of March, 2025, Brazil Mark David again made an insider purchase, acquiring 60,000 shares of common stock, which has a par value of $0.001. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 0.097. In total, insiders acquired 2,202,240 shares and sold 2,296,248 shares in these 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Broadcom stock a good buy? Broadcom exhibits several concerning signals and is currently situated within a broad and declining trend. Therefore, we anticipate it will continue to perform poorly over the next few days or weeks, leading us to maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After a thorough analysis of the volatility and movements during the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 31st of March, we expect Broadcom to open higher by 510 cents and start trading at $169.63. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.